Hi everyone and welcome back to Sew for Hobby. My name is Lisa and today we're going to make a classic wedding bracelet. Well, if you're getting married, congratulations. If not, or if you're going to a wedding party, these bracelets are excellent to show off and to feel confident that you look good and feel great. Who doesn't love jewelry? I always like to make jewelry, but sometimes I don't really wear too much of it. But anyway, thank you guys for staying with me this far. Thank you for watching the other videos and returning if you're new here or welcoming. And if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out. Don't forget to tell friends and family about my channel and help me grow with this channel. We're growing slowly, but pretty soon we'll have our first 100 subscribers. That's a pretty good deal. I'm hoping to get it, but I don't know how many videos I should be doing. And so whatever I try to do, I try to, make a fun project for you guys. Kid-friendly video. Anyway, this is our wedding classic bracelet. Pretty soon these will be back on my eBay webpage. I'm going to sell these around $8 with best offer for about $5. The pearls were like $7.99 per 100, and I think I got them on Amazon. The crystals were about $5.99 per 200, so that's a pretty good deal. $8, you can't go wrong. I'm not making any profit on these. I'm just, trying to help you guys, get something what you like, and hopefully you like this bracelet. So today's project, we're making this. Hopefully I don't make any mistakes, and hopefully I can make a nice one that has a cleaner edge. I might have to redo this one because the knot didn't hit. I couldn't hide the knot very well, so we'll redo it. But for today's tutorial, I wanted to show you guys this bracelet of what we're doing today. This is called a wedding classic bracelet. I believe nobody has this style. This is one of a kind. Or if you can find it, let me know. But I doubt it. This is one of my original ideas. So for this project, you'll need some 8mm beads. These are pearl white beads. You can buy your pearls in bulk at Amazon. I like to buy them there because you get a lot. And I sometimes get a lot and have enough for projects. I make bracelets and necklaces. You also need some scissors. I had these for a while. And of course, you need your strongest string ever. Remember, this one is the real deal. You can find it for $12 on Amazon in 100 meters. So, as you can tell, I've already used some of it. And of course, you need some Rondell crystals. These are silver. And this is what helping me measure all my bracelets. I believe this is 7 or 7.5 inches for a wrist size. So you hold it up, you can tell right there that it'll fit on the rest no problem. So I'm about a 7.5, I think. 7.5 for my bracelet size. What is your bracelet size? Let me know. So you'll need pearls, crystal, scissor, string. Let's unwrap the string first. Get enough to hide knots and do your deal. Cut it. Alright. Now let's measure it. This is how we use this. This is called a bracelet maker. This is an average women's or men's wrist size. Let's go ahead and fill it up. See what I'm doing. I have a little bit of a sniffles today, and I caught a cold. It's just a common cold. No big deal. If you hear me sniffling, it's because I have a little bit of a runny nose, and I'm getting over the watery eyes, so I have a common cold today. It just started today. Hopefully it'll get better. I take zinc and vitamin D3 for my cold, so. Alright, let's see. Almost done. Alright, let's put the beads away. I use a container for my beads. Make sure it's all nice and pretty. Let's see. About the same size. Yep, not the same size. All right. Let's open this up. This is what you do. Take your string. See the end of this point. Take your bead. Find a hole. Sometimes they're hard to see, especially on white. There's the hole. All you gotta do is stick it through. Pull it down. Next, get this crystal, silver crystal. See the hole? And then pull it down. Take your pearl. Find the hole. I think my thumb is in the way. There it is. Anytime you make a mistake, don't be afraid to take it out and start again. Keep trying until you get it right. If you don't succeed, try again. Anything you do. This is what we have so far. I'm gonna move the rest of these beads out of the way. And use only the beads on here. You don't use the beads that are lying around. Just put them away so you don't get confused. Alright. If that is a little bit frail, like that, take your scissor and cut it to get a clean edge. That's why you leave enough room on your string to cut things like that so it can fit. It's a little bit frail again. Cut it. I hope you guys will come to my eBay store page. I decided to try their AI writing, and it's so far looks like it's working pretty good. And I want you guys to come visit me in eBay so you can see my products and maybe purchase something. That really helps me out. What really helps me is to grow this channel and to go to eBay and hopefully you guys don't mind shopping on eBay. eBay is a safe place. You either get the item you order or your money back. This is what we have so far. I used the last one in this case. Not to worry, I always order in bulk. So let's see if this is actually enough. What do you guys think? Does that look like it's enough? Okay, pinch it on your two fingers closely together. Take a wrist, measure. Wow, how about that? I think we had a little bit too much, but that's around the right size. There you have it. I think they're done. All right. All right, let's move everything aside. This is what you do to close it. Make an X. Go under. Get it as flat as you can as possible. Make another X. pull tight. Do it one more time. Last one. Always do about 3, and then you can hide the knot. Wow, looks like that hit it. Wow. Can you guys see that knot? Would that bother you if I leave it like that? Well, let's take this. Remember the trick? Pull it really, really tight. I'm pulling as tight as I can. Cut it, but don't cut your knots. I had that happen to me once or twice. Alright, let's pull. Yeah, we did it. And there it is. Well, compared to this one's better, don't you think? This is the after, this is the before. Well, this is the before, this is the after. I cannot believe it came out perfectly. We did it, guys. And it took us 16 minutes to do it. To make one bracelet, because I was talking to you guys and taking my time, and you know, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is called a wedding classic bracelet, but in eBay, I'm not allowed to say wedding because it might offend somebody because of the copyright. So I'll probably just say something like holiday classic bracelets for my search. So these will be back next year or sometime at the end of the year. When I have more time, I'm going to do about 12 of these things. I got enough. So as you can see, this is my bead box. There it is. Gotta clean it out because I put the trash in there by mistake. That little, these things. This was in there. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. This is called a wedding classic bracelet. Hopefully nobody will copyright me. And see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me this far. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. And I'm hoping to bring some more projects like these. These are one-of-a-kind pieces. Not many people in the world make these. Unless you're going to a wedding party or celebrating a wedding. So if you guys are getting married out there, congratulations. Or if not, you know, maybe next time. Anyway, talk to y'all later. Bye.